There's no Colt single action army, made in 1962. It came down through my wife's side of the family. It's a little bit unusual in that it's got smooth grips. It doesn't look like the grips that ever been a head checkering on them. If someone took the checkering off, they did a really good job. They're like really Colt grips, and they're serial numbered on the inside to match the serial number on the gun. The old gun has been heavily used and had originally been used as a quick draw gun. The hammer had been bent up and the top rounded off. The notches and such would show all the wear on it. When I got it, the action was pretty shelled out and poor shape, so I took it on recently to rebuild and put a new hand and new bolt in it, and found this replacement hammer. It's not exactly the right one, but it's probably from a New Frontier. You can tell by the top being flattened off. I had it up and running really well, but now there seems to be a problem with it. I think I know what's wrong with it. I'll take it apart here in a little bit and see what I can do to fix it. I think the hand and bolt spring is weak or broken in it, or dragging. The bolt is not coming all the way up into the notch now. So I'll take it apart here and see if I can figure out what's wrong. What I'm thinking is I used an aftermarket bolt spring here, and I think it's Brownells, but not sure. I'm going to take it out and see what's happening with it. It's awful tight into the frame. Take a screwdriver here and pop it out. It's really tight in there. I think I'll take it back and either replace it, or I'll grind off a little off the sides and see if it'll fit in here and I can use this spring. I'll take my Dremel tool here. Let's get pretty noisy. I'll try to just dub it out whenever I get onto the movie. Obviously don't want to get this very hot. Well, it drops in, but it still feels a little draggy on the sides. I'm going to take about that much more off of this side, I think, and I'll hone it down a little. Well, no, that's not going to work at all. Maybe that's my problem. Always keep a few spares around. So I just went and got another one. Looks like that one's going to work. So I'm going to put the gun back together and we'll see what it looks like. I'll be working around my camera here, so it's a little bit difficult. Seems to be locking up well now. Bolt's completely dropped below the frame there. Got some thunderstorms moving in. Got flash flood warnings in the next couple of days. Maybe I can get a couple of shots off using cowboy 45 specials over the 160 grain bullets. Really not anything that was made for this gun. Yeah, I called that one off to the left, so that's not too bad. I think I can use it cowboy action shooting. A little bit of unburnt powder. Light loaded unique, 160 grain bullet.